Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy, Engine Cadet Villa Crucis, in the house. Big shout out to our teacher, Mrs. Doran. Today, we're gonna talk about the geography of some European countries. So, without further ado, let's get this party started. Now, check this out. Italy is the spot we're gonna focus on right now. It's located in southern Europe on the Apennine Peninsula, which is surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea. And listen up, it's got some pretty dope seas surrounding it too, like the Adriatic, Ionian, Tyrrhenian, and Ligurian seas. The topography in Italy is no joke, man. You got the snowy peaks of the Alps up north, and the rolling hills of Tuscany, along with the rugged Apennine Mountains in the center, and the fertile Po Valley in the northeast. But that's not all. The coastline is a whopping 7,600 kilometers long and has some killer views, from the beautiful beaches to the rocky cliffs and coves. Y'all heard of the Amalfi Coast, the Cinque Terre, and the Italian Riviera? That's what I'm talking about. Italy also has some dope islands, like Sicily and Sardinia. And let's not forget about Elba, Capri, and the Aeolian Islands. Yo, if you ever get the chance to go there, you better check it out. Now, let's talk about the climate. Italy has a Mediterranean climate, which means hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. But here's the deal. It varies depending on the region. The north has cooler temperatures and more precipitation, while the south has higher temperatures. All in all, Italy's geography is off the hook, with natural beauty all over the place. That's why it's one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Peace out.
The camera pans across the rolling hills of Italy as a traveller's voice exclaims,
Wow, Italy is surely in my bucket list now. Thank you for that, Engine Cadet Villa Crucis.
The scene then shifts to a different location as a new narrator speaks.
Hello everyone, I am Engine Cadet Hepichelin, and I would like to take you on a journey to a beautiful country in Europe, Spain.
Located on the Iberian Peninsula in southwestern Europe, Spain shares borders with Portugal to the west, France to the north, and Andorra to the northeast. The country encompasses the Balearic Islands in the Mediterranean Sea, the Canary Islands off the coast of Africa, and the cities of Ceuta and Melilla and the African continent. The landscapes of Spain are as diverse as they are breathtaking, featuring mountain ranges, plains, and coastal regions. The Pyrenees Mountains form a natural border with France, while the Sierra Nevada Mountains are located in southern Spain. The Meseta Central, a vast plateau, dominates much of central Spain. The Tagus River, which flows through central Spain and Portugal, is the country's longest river. The Ebro River is another major waterway in the northeast, while the Guadalquivir River is in the south. Spain's climate varies depending on the region, with the coast enjoying a Mediterranean climate with hot summers and mild winters, while the interior has a continental climate with cold winters and hot summers. The Canary Islands have a subtropical climate. In addition, Spain is home to several national parks, including the Picos de Europa, Sierra Nevada, and Doñana National Parks. These parks protect some of the country's most spectacular natural landscapes and wildlife. In summary, Spain's geography is a mixture of mountain ranges, plateaus, rivers, coasts, and islands that are unique and varied. The result is a stunning range of climates and landscapes that are sure to leave any traveler awestruck.
My fellow travelers, I'm Engine Cadet Alpin. Today I want to talk about France, a country located in Western Europe with a total area of 643,801 square kilometers. It's a beautiful country, bordered by the English Channel to the north, Belgium and Luxembourg to the northeast, Germany, Switzerland, and Italy to the east, the Mediterranean Sea to the south, and Spain to the southwest. France has a diverse landscape, including the Alps in the southeast, the Pyrenees in the southwest, the massive central in the south-central region, and the Jura Mountains in the east. And let's not forget the many rivers, including the Seine, Loire, Rhine, and Garonne, as well as a long coastline along the Atlantic Ocean, English Channel, and Mediterranean Sea. When it comes to the climate, France has it all. The north has a temperate maritime climate, while the south has a Mediterranean climate with hot, dry summers and mild winters. And the central and eastern regions have a continental climate with cold winters and warm summers. Now, let me tell you about France's administrative divisions. The country is divided into 18 regions, including the island of Corsica and 96 departments, and of course the capital city is Paris, located in the Isle of France region. Other major cities include Marseille, Lyon, Toulouse, Nice, and Nantes. But France isn't just about geography and administration. It has a rich cultural heritage, with famous landmarks such as the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and the Palace of Versailles. And let's not forget about the amazing cuisine, wine, fashion, art, and literature that France is known for. It truly is a remarkable country.
Yo, listen up, my homies. Check this out. Ain't no countries in Europe that be officially classified as low development, you dig? The big dogs at the United Nations say so themselves. But there are some countries that ain't ballin' like the rest of them in Europe. Know what I'm saying? So, let me give you 3 examples of these countries, and I'm gonna let my homie Cutie Addy take it from there. Holla.
Thanks my homie DJ, so let's start with Moldova. Moldova is a small landlocked country located in southeastern Europe. It is bordered by Ukraine to the north, east, and south, and Romania to the west. The capital and largest city is Chisinau. Moldova has a diverse landscape, with rolling hills, fertile valleys, and small rivers. The country is mostly flat, with an average elevation of just 139 meters above sea level. The highest point is Dealul Balanesti, which stands at 430 meters. The climate in Moldova is moderate continental, with hot summers and cold winters. The average temperature in July is around 23 degrees C, while the average temperature in January is around -4 degrees C. Agriculture is a major part of Moldova's economy, with fertile soil and a mild climate that are ideal for growing grapes, fruits, and vegetables. Wine production is particularly important, and Moldova is known for its high-quality wines. Overall, Moldova is a small but beautiful country with a rich culture and history.
Another example is Kosovo. By the way, I am Engine Cadet Dugaduga. Kosovo is a landlocked country located in the Balkans region of Europe. It is bordered by Serbia to the north and east, Montenegro to the northwest, Albania to the southwest, and North Macedonia to the southeast. The landscape of Kosovo is predominantly mountainous, with the Sar Mountains in the south and the Prokletije Mountains in the west. The highest peak in Kosovo is Gjerovica, which stands at 2,656 meters, 8,714 feet, tall. The country is also home to 2 main rivers, the Drin River, which runs along the northern border with Serbia, and the White Drin River, which flows through the western part of the country. Kosovo has a humid continental climate with hot summers and cold winters. The capital city, Pristina, has an average temperature of 12.5 degrees Celsius, 54.5 degrees Fahrenheit, in January and 22.1 degrees Celsius, 71.8 degrees Fahrenheit, in July. Kosovo is rich in natural resources, including lignite, lead, zinc, nickel, and chromium. Agriculture also plays an important role in the country's economy, with crops such as wheat, corn, and potatoes being grown in the fertile valleys. The country has a diverse population, with the majority being ethnic Albanians. The official languages of Kosovo are Albanian and Serbian, and the predominant religion is Islam, followed by Eastern Orthodox Christianity and Catholicism. Kosovo declared its independence from Serbia in 2008 and is recognized by 98 out of 193 UN member states as an independent country.
Oh, so you're telling me Bosnia and Herzegovina is this cool country in southeastern Europe, with Croatia being a nosy neighbor, Serbia being a party pooper, and Montenegro just doing its own thing in the corner. But hey, they got some Dinaric Alps, providing a picturesque view of mountains and valleys. The Meglic Peak standing at 7,828 feet, because who doesn't love a good hike, am I right? Plus, they got this fertile valley with the Sova River, where they grow all their veggies and stuff. And let's not forget about the capital city, nestled in the heart of it all. Oh, and they even have a teeny tiny coastline, stretching for just 12 miles along the Adriatic Sea, with the city of Neum doing its best to make the most of it. So, if you're into outdoor recreation and tourism, Bosnia and Herzegovina might just be the place for you. That's all. Engine Cadet Menguile Mutin out. Peace.
Alright. Let me break it down for y'all real quick. Europe's got mad geography. It's off the chain. First, you gotta know that Europe is a continent. Ain't no country or state It's a whole nother level. It's surrounded by water on three sides: the Atlantic Ocean to the west, the Arctic Ocean to the north, and the Mediterranean Sea to the south. Europe's got some major mountains too, like the Alps, the Pyrenees, and the Carpathians. And you know what's wild? Europe's got more than 50 countries, and each one's got its own unique geography. You got countries with rolling hills and lush forests, like Germany and Austria. And then you got countries with epic coastlines and stunning beaches, like Spain and Greece. And don't forget about the Arctic tundra up in the north, where it's so cold even a polar bear would be like, damn, it's chilly up in here. So that's the geography of Europe, my dude. It's a dope place with all sorts of landscapes, from mountains to beaches, forest to tundra. That's it for me, Engine Cadet Genu Villacruz, also known as DJ. Stay cool and keep exploring, you dig. Peace out, G.